Creating an Easy Publisher project from existing documents. In this first demonstration, I will show you how to create a project in Easy Publisher using existing HTML files. We launch Easy Publisher and from the main menu select Create a new project. From the dialog that appears, we next choose Create from Documents and then click on the OK button. Next, we are asked to enter a title for the project and to specify a location for the project to be saved to on the hard drive or network. By default, Easy Publisher will create a folder based on the name of the project, but this can be changed if necessary by clicking on Select Folder, where you can specify an existing folder or create a new one. In this instance, we are happy with the folder that Easy Publisher has automatically created, and so we will click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Here it is possible to select one or more HTML or text files to add to the project. Clicking the Add Files button allows the selection of the file or files to add to the project. To alter the order that the files will be imported in, select a file and then use the up and down arrow buttons to move the file in the list. When satisfied, we can click the Next button. Now we need to select the files to mark up with highlighted text events that will form part of the navigation of the completed production. The automatic markup process works by identifying logical breaks, such as full stops, commas, and other punctuation in the text. Easy Publisher has a default set of criteria for the markup process that can be viewed or edited by selecting Options. In this dialog, further criteria may be added or removed entirely to suit specific requirements. The markup can be previewed before project generation by clicking the Preview Sentences button. In this example, we are happy with the way that Easy Publisher will mark up the text, and so we will stick with the default markup criteria and proceed to the final stage of this process. Now all that is needed to do before the project can be generated is to select any other elements of the text that should be marked up, such as headings, table, or list items. We will stick with the default Easy Publisher setting that will mark up the headings and sentences, and so we will complete the process by clicking the Generate button. We can now see that Easy Publisher has generated the project and automatically created the navigable text events, represented as highlighted blocks, and structured each of our files into a heading in the table of contents. At this stage, if needed, the text can be edited and images added by using the HTML editor contained within Easy Publisher. That was a very basic overview of how to create projects in Easy Publisher by taking existing files. There are, of course, many other ways other than importing by this method, such as dragging and dropping from other applications or typing directly in Easy Publisher's HTML editor. So that explains how to generate a project from some existing HTML files. In the next demonstration, I will show how audio is added to this project.